Let's see how to factory reset any Android TV. Just open the TV and you need to open the gear icon, the settings icon. For me, it's on the right top center. I just open that and open the full settings. I mean the all settings. Here it is. I just click OK. After you come to this screen, you just scroll down and find system. Open that. Now about, you need to open about like we do this on smartphones. Same about, open that. Here scroll down and you will find this option reset. You need to open reset. Here is the factory reset. Click OK and factory reset. Here you can see the warning. This will restore your device to default settings and it is all data, accounts, files and downloaded apps. You just scroll down and if you click factory reset and it's done. Definitely it will take some time, like we do this usually on phone. So maybe it's 30 minutes, something like that. But this is the thing, this is how we need to do. So for now, I don't want to factory reset my settings because I already log in my many profiles on the TV. So it will take long time to re-enter that. So I will end up this video here. So in case if you want to know more videos about Android TV, you need to watch this playlist.